Despite prosperity, the world's cities are plagued with congestion and pollution. Dr. David Hahn, CEO of DAHON, former California State U physics professor, renowned scientist with over 300 patents, many of which found in virtually all folding bicycles today, and called father of modern folding bikes, has something to say.
Hi there. The importance of bikes and e-bikes is well known. DAHON is about to announce an all-new technology that will revolutionize the bicycles and e-bikes as we know them. Really? And what's so great about it? No, it's not another DAHON folding bike. The frame doesn't fold. But it will quickly transform any two-wheelers into a flat shape. From 10-inch e-scooters to 27.5-inch MTBs and road bikes, to a flat shape of 15 centimeter wide. Yes, the width of the seat. So what? With a narrow footprint, the bike is now easily pulled or pushed and stored at home and on the go, preserving all the necessary performance we've come to know them. No compromise whatsoever. But just as importantly, it is perfect for shared bicycles and e-bikes with the help of neat storage cabinets. We can provide whole bikes, frames, or technology for your business needs. Seeing is believing. Testing on any of the bikes will shock you. Bird's Nest Stadium, April 9th, Beijing. See you there.